Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we are about to discuss how to upsell products on Shopify. So now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. What you need to do is simply modify your store in that particular manner that it is going to be making customers will to purchase something with along, let's just say, product A. If they are purchasing, they are forced or motivated to buy product B. So if I head over to my online store, what I can do is by easily modifying, let's just say a customer who wants to purchase this mouse, he head over to that and adds it to cart, and eventually you should be showing up some of the images of the keyboard along with the mouse. So you can say like these are most commonly or combinedly purchased together, and once they do get an idea, you can also provide some discount if they want to purchase both of the item, and they will be most probably be motivated to get another item instead of just one item. So you can get an product upsell, and I hope that is going to be making some upsells for you guys. So yeah, do try it, and if you want to learn how to add that, I will making a video onto that as well, so you can also leave a comment below. And yeah, that's how you can add upsell products on Shopify. Thank you so much for watching and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.